Okay, in this video I want to explain how you can maneuver your Google Drive. A lot of people are asking questions, how to create folder, how to do some things there. So this is my Google Drive. This is my Google Drive. If you come in here, there's a lot of folders here. If you look down here, you see this plus sign here. So I will just come here and create a folder. You select folder and give it a name. Let's say because I'm going to save this video here now, I like to create folders for different things so I won't be repeating myself. So questions, digitalpreneur questions. So I've created it. I will create. So it has created. It's actually on. It's normally arranged on alphabetical order. So this is how it will be. Where is that one? Look at the folder here now. It's empty. Nothing is inside. So if you have a video, let me go to my gallery. If I have a video in my gallery now, assuming I want to save that video in that folder, I'm going to send a video there now, so that okay, there is this video here. This is a video. I've selected that video. Can you see these down buttons here? I have share, move, delete, select, or menu. I'm going to select share. Have you seen the options? So I'm going to select save to drive. Now the name of this video is Think Like a CEO. CEO. Now look at where this video is saved. It's going to save now. Oriflame video, but that's not where I want it to be saved. So I'm going to click on this Oriflame video and I'll select this back arrow up here and I will go and look for that folder I created. Where is it again? Digital, yes, this one. So now I'll select. So digitalpreneur question is the folder where this video will be saved now. So I will save it. It will be saved in that folder. Let's go back to that drive so that we'll see it. That is saved in that folder. Digitalpreneur questions is here now, but it's still uploading. So I will just click on it so that it will upload very well. So that is how to save videos. You can still add another video to this same folder. That's how I put a lot of videos on the same folder. Now all the links I've been sending to you in the classes, all the links I'll be sending to you, you don't need to stress yourself to start saving it in your drive again. Once you click on any of those links, it will enter your drive. And where will you see it? You see it here in the shared folder. Can you see these down icons? This one looks like a house. Then you have a star and you have these two head. This two head is shared files. This is where you see all your shared files. These are shared files I get from people too. Any link I see and I click on it, this is where you see so all those links I sent to you, this is where you see them in case you are looking for them. In the shared folder you will see them. All of them will be here in the shared folder. So this is where you see all the shared folders that you have been receiving from me. So I believe I've answered this particular question, and God bless you.